What is going on, you guys? Techno Demon here with my first video, and today we are basically we are just doing a little variety pack opening. If you didn't know, I do live streams on Shao or Shu, however you pronounce it, almost every other day or every day sometimes, for at least an hour or two. So hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, let's get into it, man. Like, look at this. We're gonna start out with the pro packs first, because it's the suckiest packs. Busting out nothing. Straight donkey booty hole. I should have said donkey. Dude, I've been having insane pro pack luck today. Wait, one sec. I gotta fix my mic. There we go. Alright. Then we're gonna go with the large quick sells. 1K, like I pretty much knew I was gonna pull, because, like, I'm psychic. All pro packs. Alright. We do get nothing but a gold trophy, that's good. Another gold trophy, but nothing in that pack. Alright, league tournament pack. Nothing. Master. Alright, this is what I've been waiting for. Alright, you're gonna see before me. I'm covering it up with my hand, alright? Upgrade. Alright. Oh, Chris Johnson. Alright. Bring my team up right there. Then we're gonna just open some pro packs. And last pack right here. No, never mind. This. Alright, here. Nothing. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Go watch my Shao.TV streams. I'll be on tomorrow. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.